Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the topic that's transforming the hospitality industry. Information technology, especially, will explore how IT is enhancing guest experience, optimizing operation, and shaping the future of hospitality management. Monoy. Number 1. Enhancing guest experiences. In the world of hospitality management, making guests feel special is the key. Information technology plays a crucial role here. Imagine walking into a hotel where your preferences are already known thanks to advanced CRM system. Number 2, streamlining operation. Behind the scenes, IT is a game changer for operational efficiency. Take reservation system for example. They are not only streamline bookings but also integrate seamlessly with other departments like housekeeping and dining service. Number 3, ensuring and security privacy. With great technology advancements comes with great responsibility, especially concerning data security. IT frameworks are essential for safeguarding guest information and maintaining their trust. Robust cybersecurity measures compliances with regulation and transparent data handling practices and paramount.